Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about is that what is the best MLM business to promote in 2026 for beginners. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say that this video is for entertainment purposes only. There's no guarantee that you generate extra income, but it's stuff I'm going to tell you. Now, with that being said, here we go. So, the best way to promote a MLM business for beginner in 2026 is one, join a company that costs less than 30 bucks per month. Now, the reason I'm saying it is because I know most of you guys who are beginners, you are concerned about the price, how much would it cost to join a MLM company. And I understand, maybe some of you or a lot of you guys are getting by with the income you're making right now, especially for those guys who are working a minimum wage job. And with that being said, joining a company that will cost less than 30 bucks per month will help you, while you be able to try to build an income, while at the same time you don't have to break the bank by investing into an MLM company that will cost like more than 30 bucks per month. But with the cost of less than 30 bucks per month, it will be good for you guys. Now, the other thing I will tell you as well is join an MLM company that are trying to do affiliate marketing. So pretty much join an MLM company that you could be able to promote the business as affiliate marketer. And also that join a company that has AI too, because one, with the affiliate marketing thing, the MLM industry is kind of like moving. They're starting, changing it to into people who are IBOs into any company. They wanted to promote the company as a affiliate marketer with landing page and etc. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing because when you do that, you could be able to promote more on social media. Now, when AI is 2026, it's 2026, guys. AI has been expanding with everything that we do in our life, and it's also expanding of helping us to generate extra income. Now, if an MLM company does AI, I would recommend to join that as well. The other thing I want to tell you guys is join a company that is new, or join a company that are doing a relaunch. Now, let me talk about why join a company that is new. The reason why join a company that is new is because when it's new and fresh, a lot of people do not know about this company. So therefore, when people know about any MLM company that is new or not new, that is already known, like it's already popular, it's #1 rank in the MLM company. But the thing is, people know about it. It will be more difficult for you guys to promote this opportunity, because there's a lot of very reason people won't. It's because, making a long story short, guys, a lot of people do not like MLMs. MLM gets a bad name for a lot of reasons, I would say. So, but if you join a new company, people will not know about it. And when people do not know about it, you can possibly take advantage of start generating extra income. Now again, there's no guarantee on an extra income, but with that being said, it will help you. It will help you to start taking advantage to get a head start of being possibly the top leaderboard, whatever the case. But it all depends on you. Now, when a company that is relaunched, it will be good, because when a company is relaunched, they're doing something different in that company. When they're doing something different in that company, people will be surprised about it, in my belief, and from there you can be able to have a chance to really start expanding your business through that company that is relaunching something. The other thing I recommend is that join a company that has a good compensation plan, if that makes sense. So join a company that will actually have a plan that will pay you good. For example, I'm in a company that has a 3x8 matrix system. So with that, it will help me to generate extra income in any form of way, or any position that I am right now through that matrix. I will explain more about the 3x8 matrix on another time, because I don't want to make this video too long. But But with something like that, it will help you to really make good money or make possibly any money the best that you can. And the other thing I want to tell you too is that, and this is probably gonna be the last thing. Do not join a old school network marketing company or a network marketing company that is like more than 30 years. The reason why, because the thing is, for the old school network marketing, you will have to consume a product that costs 100, like close to 100 bucks, possibly like around $1,000, and that's something that's not gonna work in 2026. And now also that, guys, most likely you will have to consume the products every single month in order to get paid in that company. I've been there before, guys. I was in an ocean network marketing company, and it was a struggle. I would have to spend like, I believe, $500 around that to consume products every single month, so I can get commission pay in it. And honestly, guys, when people the ocean network marketing company I was in, people came. People came. Some of them became successful. Some of them reached on a on a percent level. They were making pretty good income. However, though, they left as well, and other people joined and then left. And it is what it is when they were marketing company, guy. But with the old school marketing company with that method, no one's not gonna join. But if they join, they're gonna leave. I seen it before. I see people come and go, and I see people come and go in the old school network marketing I was in. They got some success, but they left, and you never see them again. And that's my own take right now of the best way to promote the best MLM business to promote in 2026 for beginners. And I hope this step will help you out, having a strong year in 2026. And for those of you guys who really want to join a new network marketing company, I joined two of them. I'll link below in my video description, guys. And just from there, click the link and just see for yourself if it will be a good fit for you or not. So that's all I gotta say, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are gonna have a good year. And hope you guys are doing good today. That's all I gotta say. Bye for now. Take care.